Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to forward WhatsApp status, videos or picture and text to anyone on your contact. Let's start. At first you have to open your WhatsApp app. In here tap on updates to see your WhatsApp status, and then if you tap on your WhatsApp status, then you guys can find out three dots here. If you tap on here, then you guys can find out forward option. Tap on forward and then choose the contact whom you want to share with. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and then tap on here to forward your WhatsApp status. And right now let's go back. If you tap on chats and you want to forward your text to another contact, tap on the contact and then choose the text that you want to forward. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, and then you guys can find out this option. If you tap on here, you guys can forward any of your text with another contact. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and then tap on here to share the text. So this is how you guys can share your WhatsApp status, video, picture or text to anyone on your contact. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.